Graphical representation of rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion, where a body moves in a straight line, can be analyzed using various graphs like displacement time, velocity time, and acceleration time graphs. The direction of motion remains constant in rectilinear motion. Displacement time graphs. These are useful for studying linear motion, plotting displacement on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. These graphs are very helpful in finding the velocity of a body, as the slope of graphs, y-axis, x-axis, is equal to displacement time. Types of displacement time graph. When a displacement time graph is parallel to the time axis. If the position of a body does not change with time, the body is said to be stationary and displacement as measured from the origin at all instants is same as that at t is equal to 0, so the displacement time graph is a straight line parallel to the time axis. When the displacement time graph is a straight line not parallel to time axis. In cases where the displacement time graph forms a straight line originating from the axis origin and extends away from both time and displacement axis, this indicates the body is moving at a constant velocity. Figure 2.7 illustrates a displacement time graph for a body, with corresponding values of displacement and time provided in an accompanying table. Velocity time graphs. These graphs plot velocity on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. The slope of these graphs indicates acceleration. As velocity divided by time is equal to acceleration, the acceleration is positive when the slope is positive and negative when the slope is negative. The area under the velocity time curve represents the body's displacement, calculated as velocity times time. When a velocity time graph runs parallel to the time axis. Figure 2.9 illustrates a velocity time graph PQ, depicting a body moving at a constant velocity of 20 meters per second. Since the graph slope is 0, the body's acceleration is also 0. The body's displacement in a specific direction can be calculated by finding the area of rectangle PQRS, resulting in a displacement of PS times SR is equal to 20 meters per second times 4S is equal to 80 meters. When the velocity time graph is a straight line but not parallel to time axis, figure 2.10a shows a velocity time graph where the body starts from a stationary position and gradually increases its velocity at a steady rate. The slope of the line AC, representing the body's acceleration, is calculated as follows. Acceleration time graphs. In figure 2.12, an acceleration time graph is shown parallel to the time axis, indicating that the acceleration remains constant. Figure 2.14 features an acceleration time graph that diverges from both the time and acceleration axis. This indicates that the body has both variable velocity and variable acceleration. In this case, the graph's area represents the velocity.